Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and select Advanced Features. Now you need to scroll down again, click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Now scroll down and click on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with buttons, have to click on this option and follow all of those instructions below. Double tap the home button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of it by holding one of its corners or clicking on this icon at the right or left side of it. When you're ready, click on the blurry area to go back. If you wish to disable one-hand mode completely, you need to tap on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!